Okay, this cucumber has gone really high, but there is plenty of the fruit, smaller fruits on it. So I'm going to harvest one of these. These are Persian cucumbers, as they are called, against what is typically called as English cucumber, which is quite big and like a marrow almost. These Persian cucumbers are really delicate and beautiful and really refreshing. So I'm picking these ones that are ready to harvest. And most of the common fruits actually are from Iranian plateau, that is called Persia. And so it's because of the speciation during the ice ages that were active in that region. And that meant that there was a lot of, valleys and mountains that were isolated from each other, and they had different species of the plants and plant life living different, and they were actually the only places on the planet. Therefore, we had all these kind of variations in one geographical unit. So they were quite abundant. Look at this one. Oh, that's quite tough. I'm going to harvest these two today. So Darwinian natural selection created a lot of common fruits that we use nowadays in our diet in that region. So now these ones can actually, plant can put its energy to build these ones. And this way, unlike other cucumbers that they finish in one go, you have 10 days and then nothing. In this scheme of the harvestation, you end up with a continuous supply to the end of the season by September, October. Great. So this harvest is enough to make a nice salad for the lunch or dinner. Fresh as it can be. And the next plant to be harvested will be this one, and this one, and this one, which is already big enough.